I'm Mike with Ware Landscaping, and we got Kendall with us today. This is a really important job, part of the job that we're at right now, and this is the final grade. We've got the French drain all installed through here. You can see these are extenders through here, and what we actually put the catch basins at the very bottom of the clay and put risers in, so then there won't ever be any settling. A real important part right now is we want to make sure that this is the actual low point, so the French drain is fully utilized, and that's kind of exactly what's going on right now. We're grinding up all of the existing soil, getting it ready for sod, but that way when it rains, hey Kendall, when it rains, it's all going to flow to this, and then everywhere else is going to be dry. We're getting really close here, and it's gonna look really good and work really well, and you can see how dry it is already. But yeah, just kind of wanted to go over how important the grading part is of a French drain so it's fully utilized.